Lean manufacturing is a production practice that focuses on minimizing waste while maximizing productivity. Originating from the Toyota production system in the mid-20th century, lean manufacturing has become a significant approach for organizations looking to improve efficiency and quality. By systematically identifying and eliminating non-value-added activities, companies can streamline their operations, reduce costs, and enhance customer satisfaction. Scene 2. One of the core principles of lean manufacturing is the concept of value from the customer's perspective. This means that every step in the production process should contribute to creating value for the customer. Activities that do not add value are considered waste, which can occur in various forms such as overproduction, excess inventory, defects, and inefficient processes. By focusing on value, organizations can prioritize efforts that lead to better products and services while optimizing their resources. Another key element of lean manufacturing is the emphasis on continuous improvement, often referred to as Kaizen. This philosophy encourages all employees to be actively involved in identifying areas for improvement. By fostering a culture of open communication and collaboration, organizations can gather valuable insights from frontline workers who are intimately familiar with the processes. This can lead to innovative solutions that enhance efficiency and eliminate waste, ultimately driving productivity. In addition to Kaizen, lean manufacturing employs several specific tools and techniques to drive improvements. Some of these include value stream mapping, which helps to visualize the flow of materials and information through a process. 5S, a method for organizing the workplace, and just-in-time production, which reduces inventory costs by synchronizing production with demand. Each of these tools plays a crucial role in implementing lean principles effectively and achieving sustainable results. Finally, the impact of lean manufacturing extends beyond individual organizations. It influences entire supply chains, as companies that adopt lean practices often require their suppliers to do the same to maintain efficiency. This creates a ripple effect that can improve overall industry standards and promote a culture of continuous improvement across sectors. In conclusion, lean manufacturing is not just a set of techniques. It is a mindset that can transform how organizations operate, leading to increased efficiency, reduced waste, and enhanced customer satisfaction.